to the Work Boulevard. Your office your way, right where you want to be. Whether you're just starting out or scaling up, we've got the perfect space for you. Places that match your ambition and workspaces tailored to your needs. Private access to your lobby and your corporate branding at the door. It's the right way to arrive.
When we first walked into the office space, we were wowed. I think just the delivery of what we wanted, I think it was better than our expectations. Most of all because it was delivered before time.
Our common areas are where collaboration happens naturally and where your next big project might start with a quick chat. In short, our community fuels creativity. Start a conversation, fuel collaboration, and savour an artisanal brew from Common Man Coffee Roasters. At the Work Boulevard, our coffee is as fresh as the discussions. Whether you're a plucky startup of 2 or an enterprise team of 200, we've got the space you need. From small agile teams to large-scale collaborations, we've designed spaces that make your ideas come to life. More than just a view, it's a daily inspiration for you and your team. With height-adjustable tables, quiet nooks and ergonomic chairs, this is office space done right.
The atmosphere at the Work Boulevard is fantastic. It's very friendly. I think there's a collegial environment. You have these weekly socials. You've got the ability to go and have a drink and meet other people. And, especially when you're a small group, I think having these constant interactions is really helpful. So we loved it. And the team has been absolutely wonderful. And I would recommend you to anybody who's looking at managed space in Singapore.
The Work Boulevard, your one-stop, no-fuss office solution. Call us or scan the code to get started.